Hi guys, my name is Cheah. I am 6 years old. I'm from Kingsby Academy, Puchong. Today I would like to share a story about a brave firefighter. One day there is a town named Holyhead on fire. The town people quickly called the firefighter to put down the fire. In the middle of the mission, the brave firefighter saw a cat and a bird trapped inside the fire. So the brave firefighter intended to save both of them.